Hello and welcome to your first module in this course. This module comprises of everything you need to know about the first technology needed in creating a web application. Just as in building a house, where the architect designs and plan how the house should look and feel like before passing this design to the building team who in turn built the house, then the interior design team who comes and beautify the house. In web application, we have a procedure that is alike. In web application, we have a set of people they call UI UX designers who use tools like Figma and Adobe XD to create these designs of what the web application should look and feel like. After doing this, they pass these design files to the front end team. Now, in the front end team, just like the building team, the first thing you have to do is to develop the structure of the web application. And in order to develop the structure of your web application, you need no other tool than HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is called the building block for the web. So with HTML, you can structure how a web should look like. It's just for structure. It doesn't add beauty or color. It's just there to describe the structure of the web application. And in this module, you are going to learn everything about HTML, right from doc type to tags to elements to headings to paragraph, and even to creating your own forms and integrating media files that you can play and listen to in your web application. For this and more, see you in class.